Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. For the new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this mouth-watering, delicious baked salmon. So let's see what ingredients I'm going to use for this recipe. I have 4 garlic cloves. I have some Old seasoning. I have some Old seasoning. This is one of my favorite seasonings. I have some onion powder as well as some garlic powder. I have some white distilled vinegar. I have 1 lime, but you can use 1 lemon. Some fresh parsley. Some green onions. A fresh piece of salmon. I'm placing my piece of salmon into a bowl and I'm adding some cool running water. Since it's still frozen, I'm also adding some distilled white vinegar to the water. I have split my piece of salmon into 2 pieces since I'm making 2 servings. While my pieces of salmon are soaking, I am gently removing the scales from the skin. Then I will be rinsing off my salmon and placing it into a bowl. I'm finely chopping my green onions, my parsley and my garlic. Then I'm going to set them aside. To marinate my salmon, I'm starting off by lightly sprinkling some lemon pepper seasoning. I'm covering both pieces of salmon with some Old seasoning. I'm lightly sprinkling some garlic and onion powder. I'm squeezing a small amount of lime juice over my salmon. Next, I'm covering my pieces of salmon with some lemon pepper marinade. I'm using my clean hand to rub the seasonings and lemon pepper marinade evenly on my pieces of salmon. Lastly, I'm adding some of the chopped vegetables and the chopped garlic. Once I'm done, I'm going to set my 2 pieces of salmon aside for about a minute so that they can infuse the delicious flavors of the seasonings and lemon marinade. While my salmon is marinating, I am preheating 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil on medium heat. I'm adding my marinated pieces of salmon face down into my pan. I'm pan frying them until they have some color similar to grilled salmon. I'm flipping them occasionally until all the sides are slightly brown. This is exactly how I wanted my salmon to look, a little bit like a smoky look to it. Now guys, the outside of the salmon is cooked, but the inside of the salmon is not cooked. I have preheated my oven at 375. I'm placing my pieces of salmon on a piece of foil and I'm also adding a few pieces of bell pepper on top of my salmon. I'm wrapping them tightly by folding in the 2 ends of the foil. Then I'm placing them into a baking dish. I'm baking my salmon for 20 minutes on 375. Guys, my pieces of salmon are finally ready. Look how moist they came out. And the bell peppers, they cook right into it. That steam smells amazing. I wish you guys could have smelled it. Guys, I served my baked salmon with some rice and beans and a side of steamed broccoli. This is a very affordable meal, under $10. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.